All right, so this second video for this lesson is going to focus now on word problems. We only have 2 here, but it's definitely good to understand this because this is certainly stuff that's covered on a standardized test. So it says Lancaster Woodworker Furniture Store builds 2 types of wooden outdoor chairs. A rocking chair sells for $265. An Adirondack chair with footstool sells for $320. The books show that last month the business earned $13,930 for the 48 outdoor chairs. How many of each type of chair was sold? So first we need variables. So R is going to be our rocking chair. And let's say we use A for our Adirondack. So we know that they sold 48. So A plus R, the number of Adirondack and rocking chairs added together, equals 48. Now we know that each Adirondack was sold for $320 and each rocking chair was sold for $265. And they made a total of $13,930. So those are your 2 equations. So you look at those and you say, okay, well, what's the best approach to use? Me personally, I would probably opt for substitution just because you can isolate one of the variables. So I'm going to isolate the A and then take that and sub that into the second formula. And then I'm only left with 1 variable, and now I'm going to go about and solve. So I'm going to distribute. All right, if I continue to consolidate here, I end up with 2 negatives, which is fine because you can't have a negative value for a number of chairs. So you get 26 when you divide by the negative. And then A is then 48 minus the 26, which gives you 22. So we've got 22 rocking chairs. 22 Adirondack chairs. And we have 26 rocking chairs. And that question is asking, how many of each chair do we have? Well, there we go. All right, second one says Steve subscribes to 10 podcasts for a total of 340 minutes. He used his 2 favorite hobbies, or tags, hobbies and rec, and soliloquies. Each of the hobbies and rec episodes lasts 32 minutes. Each soliloquy lasts for 42 minutes. To how many of each tag did he subscribe to? So I'm going to go standard here, and I'm going to do hobbies and rec is my X, and soliloquies is going to be my Y. You can use whatever variable you want. So he subscribes to 10 podcasts. So that means the number of these 2 types is equal to 10. We know that for the hobbies and rec was 32 minutes, so 32x. Soliloquies were 42. For a total of 340 minutes. So again, same thing. Me personally, I'm just going to use the substitution method because I can isolate the X. I'm going to sub that in. So I get 320 minus 32y. And when I start combining here, I get 10y equals 20, which means y is 2. And then if x is 10 minus y, then that means 10 minus 2 is 8. So then we have 8